in the favor of the resolution that artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed before the symptoms appear, where accidents are predicted before they occur, and where knowledge is accessible for every human being within seconds. This is not science fiction. This is artificial intelligence. The question is no longer if AI will surpass human intelligence, but how soon it will reshape the limits that we once could believe only human could achieve. Once humans believed that only bird could fly until aeroplane proved otherwise. Honorable judges, once people believed that no machine could think, but today artificial intelligence is proving that belief wrong. Artificial intelligence is not a dream for the future. It is the reality of the present and it is advancing faster than the human mind itself. Human intelligence has limits. We get tired, emotional, forgetful, and sometimes based. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, works 24 hours a day, learns continuously, and processes millions of facts in seconds. Honorable judges, let us look at medicines. AI systems can detect diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately than doctors by analyzing thousands of medical reports within seconds. A human doctor may examine one patient at a time, but AI can study millions of cases together. Second, in the field of transport, self-driving cars use AI to avoid accidents. Machines react faster than a human and they do not get tired, angry, distracted. If I talk about education and research, AI tools answer complex questions, translate languages, and solve mathematical problems instantly, tasks that may take human hours or even days. Honorable judges, as Elon Musk stated that artificial intelligence will eventually be smarter than the smartest human. This statement shows that experts agree that artificial intelligence will go beyond human limits. AI has no emotion, so it can never surpass human intelligence. Intelligence does not mean emotion. Intelligence means speed, accuracy, memory, and decision making. And in all these areas, AI perform better than the humans. AI are created by humans. AI cannot surpass humans because humans created it. Calculators are created by humans, yet they calculate faster than the humans. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, and He taught Adam the names of all things. This verse is proof that a knowledge is a gift from Allah, and AI is the result of the learning, a learning Allah Himself allowed. Honorable judges, this debate is not about belief, it is about evidence and trajectory. History proves that progress does not stop at human capabilities. Just a machine surpassing human intelligence. Artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence. Denying this is ignoring the reality. So I am firmly in the favor of this resolution. Thank you.